Welcome to our channel The Tiny Guide. Today we will see how to subtract a number from 100, 1000, etc. First we will see how to subtract a number from 100. It is very easy. Step 1. Subtract 1's digit from 10. Step 2. Subtract 10's digit from 9. Now let us see an example. Let's subtract 82 from 100. Step 1. Subtract the 1's digit, that is 2, from 10. Step 2. Subtract the 10's digit, that is 8, from 9. The final answer is 18. Now we will see how to subtract a number from 1000. Step 1. Subtract the 1's digit from 10. Step 2. Subtract the 10's digit from 9. Step 3. Subtract the 100's digit from 9. We will see an example now. We will subtract 91 from 1000. Step 1. Subtract the 1 from 10. Step 2. Subtract the 9 from 9. Step 3. There is no hundreds place, so we can subtract 0 from 9. The final answer is 909. We will see another example. Let's subtract 864 from 1000. Step 1. Subtract the 4 from 10. Step 2. Subtract 6 from 9. Step 3. Subtract 8 from 9. The final answer is 136. Hope this calculation is easy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thank you once again.